Today's topic is about the time delta functions. So let's get a brief introduction about the datetime classes in the Python. The datetime class in the Python, it consists of the five main classes, which is datetime, time delta, and a teaser info. If we are going to use a date class, then it's good if we are just using it for the manipulation of the dates of the month, day, or an year. For the time, it is time independent of the day. That means it consists of hours, minutes, seconds, and the microseconds. Date time is combination of both time and the date functions, and a time delta, we use it for the duration of the time for manipulation of the dates. That is, if you want to know about the future dates of from today or from 2 years after or 2 years ago, so you can go and use the time delta function. And to the TZ info, it is an abstract class for dealing with the time zones. So let's get going for the time delta function. Here we have a basic syntax which consists of days, seconds, microsecond, milliseconds, minutes, hours, and to the weeks. It takes up till 7 parentheses for it. Let's get started. First, we are going to import the libraries for it, which is from datetime. We are going to import datetime and the time delta function for it. So let me show you a basic output. Here we have taken that the day is equal to 365, hour is 8, and minutes is 5. So what it's gonna look like: 365 days, 8 hours, and 15 minutes. Let's start by printing the today's date. See, as you can see, it's 2019, 10th, 03rd, 17:52 and 21 a.m. If, as I said further, that if you want to calculate the day from today after the 2 years, what date it's gonna be, or after the 2 days. So what we are going to do is we are going to calculate the date time now. That is, it's going to calculate the today's date, and after that we are going to add the day, that how many days after that you want to show the day which you wanted. So here I have taken 760, which is the 2 years for now and the 2 days for now. After that we are going to print our output. So that's it. After that we are going to calculate that how many days in a week it's gonna be. So it is the 14th, right? So the today's date is 03rd, and after that it's gonna be a 14th. And if you want to calculate that how many days since the new year has passed, then we are going to have an import a date from the date time class. So why we are going to use it, so that we can take the today's date, and after that we are going to calculate the new year date. As since we know that the month and the date are 1 and 1, so we are just going to take the today year for it. After that we are going to have a condition, and then we are going to print it. And then here the string, it shows that how many days has passed it, which is the today minus the new year date for it. So that's it. New year day has already been went by 275 days ago.